Last we left off, we saved our file and shut down Illustrator. Some of us can't log on now, so that's a problem. But anyways, when we opened up Illustrator this morning, you should just get this page, right? So we could go to Open as to try to retrieve our other files, but down here, your recent folders are usually just kind of all on there. Some of them from this week, 2 days ago, others are from 7 months ago for me. Okay, so you can click one of these, let's do the line one that we saved, and it will pop up. Alright, so this is where I left off. I'm going to zoom out, Control negative, and maybe I'll just use the navigator and such. Okay, so we kind of drew a little bit of a line. We'll touch on this a lot more later. But for now, we should explore a little bit more of what's behind the pen tool. I'm sorry, the line tool. So under the line tool, you'll see arc, spiral, rectangle, and polar grid. We'll just quickly go through these just to know what's happening in there. So the arc tool is a tool that creates an arc. You can make it so that it creates just a squiggly thing, or like we said, like all the other commands, if we hit the shift key, it will constrain the proportions. So like when you're drawing, or if you want to draw a door swing, that'll be a perfect thing to use. Okay. If you want a specific size, you could click, and then this dialog box will pop up. With the dialog box popping up, you can say, okay, I want my length to be 2, y-axis to be 2, and type is open along the x-axis base, and okay. So this was the 50, I guess, so it's perfectly in a smooth arc. All right. Other stuff under the line tool is a spiral tool, and the spiral tool, just like the name says, it is a spiral. So you can create that perfect Fibonacci sequence. Click on it in space, and you will get options: what the radius might be, what the decay might be, which means how it makes the arc, and how many segments of these arcs you want in there. Right now, default for me is 10. So it's making 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 segments. You could set this up so that it goes on forever, I guess. Well, not forever, but fill up the whole page if you like. You could set this thing so that it goes clockwise, counterclockwise. Okay, so that's another choice that you can make. This tool, personally, I don't really use it, but in case you're in your history class drawing an iconic column, you might be able to use this tool.